Namaste, this is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. Today we'll do 5 yoga poses for weight loss. Let us start. First, close your eyes, relax yourself. Simple Kriya. In Simple Kriya, you are just going to increase the speed of your breath while inhalation, exhalation. We'll do, keep your hand on your chest, deep inhalation, we can feel sense of relaxation after this Kriya. Now let's do Maha Kriya. Interlock your hand close to your navel. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Very slowly come forward, exhale forcefully for 6 times. Slowly come up. Release. Let's do this again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly come forward. Exhale forcefully. Third very important thing, stretches. After breathing exercises, we should do some stretches that help to increase blood circulation in your body. So we call it warm up also, warm up asanas. So let's do it. Interlock your hand, stretch it properly. Look down. Interlock your hand again, stretch, move your head down, stretch, release, rotation, reverse, relax, shoulder, reverse, neck rotation, do it little slowly and feel your muscle properly, reverse, there is a simple principle for the muscle, use it or lose it. So of course we are going to use it. Let's do one more exercise which is also very important for weight loss. Bandh asana. Hold and keep your forehead down. Amazing. That's very nice and very easy asanas. Just you need to be very consistent with your practice. Okay, now last one. You are sitting in Sukha asana and very slowly come forward. Try to go more forward and hold. Look straight. Stretch your back properly Relax your shoulder. Be there for 20 seconds. Very, very slowly go back. And release. So this is our simple practice for weight loss for beginners. I request you start doing this asana, and with this if follow some diet also. After 5, stop eating oily food, junk food, drink lot of water and take care of your health, take care of yourself. We will come back again. Thank you.